very good day to all of you. Today, we are diving into one of the most fundamental yet powerful cognitive abilities, that is, comprehension skills. Whether you are a student preparing for exams, professional analyzing reports, or simply someone navigating daily life, comprehension is the bridge between information and understanding. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to understand comprehension skills, identify different types and key components of comprehension skills, recognize different kinds of barriers in comprehension, explain strategies to improve comprehension skills. So let's discuss what are comprehension skills. Comprehension is the ability to process, interpret, and make meaning from written, spoken, or visual information. It's not just reading words or hearing sounds, it's actively constructing knowledge. Comprehension skills refer to the set of cognitive processes that enable readers to understand, interpret, evaluate, and respond to written texts. They are not limited to reading. Comprehension is a broader mental ability that applies to listening, observing, interpreting visuals, and analyzing information from multiple sources. In academic settings, comprehension ensures meaningful learning, critical thinking, and the ability to apply knowledge. Without comprehension, reading becomes a mechanical act, recognizing letters and words without constructing meaning. So, the significance of comprehension skills cannot be overstated. In academic life, strong comprehension enables students to engage with textbooks, research articles, and complex theoretical material. It supports analytical thinking, academic writing, and the ability to synthesize information from multiple sources. In professional settings, comprehension is vital for interpreting reports, policies, instructions, and workplace communication. At a broader level, comprehension empowers individuals to interact effectively with media, understand public information, and make informed decisions in everyday life. The nature of comprehension is inherently interactive. It occurs through a dynamic relationship between the reader, the text, and the context in which the reading takes place. The reader brings prior knowledge, experiences, linguistic skills, and expectations to the text, while the text provides structure, vocabulary, ideas, and cues that guide interpretation. Context, such as academic discipline, cultural background, or reading purpose, further shapes how meaning is constructed. Because of this interaction, comprehension is never fixed. It changes as readers develop new knowledge, encounter new genres, or refine their reading strategies. So, skilled comprehension is an active and thoughtful process requiring engagement rather than passive absorption. So, there are different types of comprehension. Comprehension manifests in different forms depending on the medium and depth of processing. Reading comprehension focuses on written text and operates at multiple levels: literal level, direct facts; inferential level, implied meanings; and evaluative level, critical judgment; and applied level, real world connections. For instance, in a historical text, a literal understanding might note dates of events, while inferential comprehension uncovers underlying causes. Listening comprehension deals with auditory input requiring real-time processing amid challenges like speaker speed or background noise. It includes active listening, where the listener paraphrases or responds, and passive forms like absorbing ambient sounds. Visual comprehension interprets non-textual elements such as graphs, images, or videos, demanding quick symbol recognition, for example, discerning trends in a line chart. Digital or media comprehension integrates multiple formats in online environments involving navigation of hyperlinks and multimedia while filtering overload. Several major components contribute to the development of comprehension, like vocabulary knowledge. It is one of the most crucial elements. Readers must understand the meaning of words, phrases, and idiomatic expressions to make sense of any text. Grammar and syntax also play a significant role by helping readers interpret sentence structures, relationship between ideas, and logical connections within paragraphs. Background knowledge, often referred to as schema, enables readers to link new information with what they already know, making comprehension more efficient and meaningful. Cognitive processing skills such as identifying main ideas, recognizing supporting details, drawing inferences, and evaluating arguments allow readers to interpret deeper layers of meaning. Metacognition, the ability to monitor one's own understanding, helps readers identify confusion and apply strategies to overcome comprehension breakdowns. Comprehension operates at multiple levels, each requiring different mental processes. Literal comprehension involves understanding information directly stated in the text, including facts, events, and basic descriptions. Inferential comprehension requires readers to read between the lines by making assumptions, predictions, and logical connections that are not explicitly stated. Critical comprehension involves examining the credibility, logic, and reliability of the text, questioning its assumptions, and evaluating the strength of its arguments. A higher level, often called creative comprehension, encourages readers to use the text as a springboard for generating new ideas, making personal interpretations, and extending the discussion beyond the boundaries of the text itself. A number of key skills form the core of effective comprehension. Identifying the main idea helps reader determine the central message the writer intends to convey, while recognizing supporting details allows them to understand how the argument or explanation is developed. Summarization condenses information into a coherent and concise form, helping readers retain and organize ideas. Prediction encourages active engagement by prompting readers to anticipate what may follow. Inference making is critical for interpreting tone, motives, and implicit meanings. The ability to distinguish facts from opinions is essential for academic reading and media literacy, enabling readers to identify statements that are verifiable and those that express personal judgment. Understanding the author's purpose and tone further deepens comprehension by shedding light on the writer's motivation and emotional stance. Recognizing text structure, such as cause and effect, comparison, or problem solution, helps readers follow the organization of ideas and enhance their understanding. So that's all for today. We'll discuss further in the next section. Thank you.